नाजरीन, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये 500 साल पुराना काबे का ग़िलाफ़ है। अब जो ग़िलाफ़ बन रहा है वो मक्का मुकर्रमा में काला और सुनहरी गोटों से बना है। ये जो पहले तुर्की और दीगर दूसरे ममालिक से बन के आते थे 500 साल पुराने, ये इस म्यूज़ियम में यहाँ रखा हुआ है।
And the one Qiswa is this one. We see in front
Which
of
one
us.
is the prophet chamber?
All of the ones hanging, surrounding the walls, yeah. And this is the only Qiswa we have. The Prophet's chamber curtains are approximately from 100 to 200 years old, and the Qiswa is 500 years old.
This one is 500 is for
Yes, all are originals, of course, and the colors are different because depending on the countries that used to make them, such as India, Turkey, Egypt, and many more. But now they are only made in KSA, and it's only in black, white, and gold. And they are made out of silk and gold, of course. And we have the Ka'bah key here as well.
काबा की।
Yeah, it's 200 years old as well.
Original?
Yes, all the things you see here are originals.